crafty people. In this video, we're going to be talking about abbreviation Hdc2tog, which stands for half double crochet, two together. Generally speaking, crocheting any kind of stitch, two together, three together, is a decrease stitch. So you could be doing it like in the middle or at the ends, and you will be decreasing the total stitch count. That is used for shaping and things like that. However, this is a pattern called chicken claw, I believe, and it's because the two half double crochets together here, they kind of end up looking like little chicken foot, or is it called chicken foot? Something like that. Anyway, it kind of looks like a bird's claw. So this pattern is a repeat of two distinct rows. I'm on the row where I've got the two half double crochets together. So I'm gonna chain one, and the next stitch is gonna be half double crochet, two together. So I'm gonna start off as I would with any half double crochet, which is a yarn over from back to front, insert the hook into the stitch I'm working, pull up a loop, and now instead of yarn over and bringing the loop through all of the stitches, I'm going to do a half double crochet into the next stitch. So yarn over, I go into my next stitch, yarn over, bring up that loop, and I've got 5 loops on my hook. That's 2 half double crochets worth. So yarn over and bring them through all of that, through all of the loops. And so now I've decreased the count from 2 stitches to 1. Next stitch is a chain. Next stitch is half double crochet, 2 together. So I'm going to do that again. Yarn over into the chain space, yarn over, bring up the loop, yarn over into the single crochet, yarn over, bring up the loop. I have all of the stitches for the 2 half double crochets together on my hook, yarn over, and I just pull that loop through all of the stitches, completing the 2 half double crochets that I made. And that is half double crochet, 2 together.